haven't you heard? It'll go away in a day or two.
Fond boy with a flower in his heart, only hours from the start. He's invested all he's got, so he'll stock the stocks and stock up on Pepto-Bismol, 'cause he's giving hogs to toilets and spoiling his dinner. Big rock with a fire at its core. If it's buried under layers, then what's it gonna warm? I'm tired of knowing not what's enough and what's a lot, 'cause I only remember the feelings I forgot.
I think my anatomy's mad at me for being so adamantly dramatic and emphatically infatuated. In fact, I'd rather be glad we waited until after we graduated than be packing our bags half saturated and sadly debating it. Maybe it's lazy of me to date our relationship and date the creations I made with it, but baby, a baby needs something to play with and glue to when you drop out halfway through peekaboo. You speak in resisted grins. I couldn't sleep after leaving them. I didn't eat for a week, but then again I've always been weak and thin. Honestly, I've lost full nights contemplating these awful rhymes. Those long drives felt like such short trips with you on my mind. I don't think about you that much, just